Guys, today I'm looking at the Reolink RLC511WA. Box kind of got a little bit damaged, but this is a security camera from Reolink. And you know what? Spoiler alert, it's pretty damn good. Why? Find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, the Reolink RLC511 security camera. Now, before we get started, I'm just going to say that Reolink sent me this security camera in exchange for my honest review. And you know, if you follow my channel, you're always going to get that honest review, good, bad, or indifferent. Now, if you don't know Reolink, these guys make a ton of different security camera products, and I've had the pleasure of reviewing some of their products, and I have to say, they are solid. The RLC511WA is a 5 megapixel camera with a bunch of cool features. But before we get into them, let's take a quick look at what's in the box. So here we have what's included. We have the camera itself, a couple of aerials which I've attached. There is an Ethernet cable, a power brick, an extension cable, and you have some fixings, an Allen key, and some weather sealing grommets. Now, I mentioned Ethernet, but this camera also works on both 2.4 and 5 gigahertz wireless. So lots of connectivity options. Now, there are a ton of features as you'd expect from a Reolink camera, but oddly enough, I didn't get any instructions in the box. I guess they kind of forgot to put them in, so I'm going to have to figure this out for myself. But spec-wise, like I said, 2.4 or 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, there is a person and vehicle detection capability. You have 24/7 monitoring, color night vision, 5x optical zoom. Yes, optical zoom, so that is pretty powerful in itself. And it's IP66 waterproof, as you would expect from an outdoor camera. Other things to take note is this has a spotlight capability, and you can set this alongside the siren for when there's motion. And you also have the ability to use two-way talk and listen. So pretty powerful stuff. This means that if somebody is walking up to your property, you can actually have a conversation with them, and if they're up to no good, that might just be enough to deter them and make them go away. Pretty powerful stuff. And to keep your recordings local, you also have a weather-sealed micro SD card slot. So let's install the Reolink app. Let's get this hooked up and see what the video quality is like. Now, just to note, getting the camera connected was not quite as straightforward as I would have liked. Seems like you have to connect it via Ethernet first, and then you can connect it to your Wi-Fi. Now, I had a few failed attempts at Wi-Fi, but once up and running, you can see how clear the picture quality is. You also have this 5x optical zoom, which is excellent. You can record your streams and also take still pictures. There are also a bunch of settings including motion sensitivity, and you also have that talk and listen function. Indoors, in the dark, the picture was still good. You can also get that color night mode, which is pretty kind of cool also. And guys, this is a solid camera from Reolink. It's heavy duty, robust, and works really, really well. Given that all of these security cameras have their own apps, it usually pays to stay in the same ecosystem when purchasing. But if you are in the Reolink ecosystem, or you're needing a camera system and don't have one yet, then this isn't a bad place to start at all. So guys, that just about wraps this one up. There are a ton of good things to say about this camera. Like I said, I didn't receive any instructions, so this is pretty much where I've got to in working out the features and functions. I'm pretty sure that there are a ton more features to explore, so if you have any comments, questions, or if you know anything more about this camera, then please leave them in the comments section below. I'll leave any product descriptions and discount codes in the description. And guys, if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really makes a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Also guys, if there are any features or functions that you want me to make a video for, then please leave those notes in the comments also. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Reolink for sending me this RLC511 WA security camera. And guys, if you have any questions, you know what to do. And if you like the video, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Guys, I'm Dave with Scene for a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.